Welcome to The Explainer. We're here to break down big topics into simple, clear explainers.
So how can a program understand plain English without machine learning? Let's check out this calendar assistant.
We're diving into an AI agent built in pure Python. Yep, no external libraries at all.
You can manage your schedule with simple text commands. It's a great way to get into AI.
So what's going on inside its brain? It's actually a pretty simple three-step process.
First, it perceives your command, then it reasons what to do, and finally, it acts.
Okay, so perception is easy. It just reads whatever command you type into the console.
Then reasoning kicks in. This is where the agent figures out what you actually want.
And finally, action. It picks the right tool, a specific function, to get the job done.
But how does it really get what you're saying? Well, it's not magic. It's all about patterns.
The agent's smarts actually come from something called regular expressions, or regex for short.
See this bit of code? It's just a pattern designed specifically to look for keywords like add.
It then pulls out the key details, the title, the date, right from your sentence.
All right, enough theory. Let's see this thing actually work with some quick examples.
So let's say you want to add a doctor's appointment for tomorrow afternoon. You just type it in.
And boom, the agent gets it, pulls the details, and confirms the event is added.
Okay, now what if you ask what's on your calendar for today?
A different regex pattern catches that request and shows you your schedule. Simple.
Now, this whole rule-based approach is pretty powerful, but it's definitely not perfect.
You have to be specific, and it can't remember past chats or even save your data.
But get this, it's all done with standard Python. Nothing else needed. 100% pure.
It just goes to show, you don't always need a giant model for intelligent behavior. So it really makes you wonder, what other complex problems could we solve with simple rules?